Tiger slot okay? Aaj?
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you. Good morning again, my dear friends.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So this is me with my co-founder Uma Munshiramani. She is not present today, so everyone type in the comment box, hi Uma. Comments are disabled? Seems like. Okay, so a little bit about myself. This is the mantra I live by every day, every hour, every minute, every second. That is, it isn't over until I win and everybody around me wins. So ladies and gentlemen, you cannot win unless your team, your clients or the company you work for that win. So keep in mind that people around you, everybody has to win as a team. And this is my life mantra. The first line is the Les Brown quote, and I have improvised it a little bit. Everybody around me wins, I have added here. So I'm 62-year-old. I celebrated 42nd anniversary of my 20th birthday this year. So how many of you can feel that energy of 20-year-old early in the morning?
Sir, we can feel that energy with you.
Thank you very much. So I was born in a refugee camp number 4, Ulhasnagar. Education mostly in government and Sindhi school. Dumb student, failed many times, beaten mercilessly by the teachers. But work very, very hard when you have nothing in life. You have no mentor, you have no father, you have no money, no education. The only thing you are left with is your hard work, which I did a lot until today I do. So 1995, our company came out with a very, very successful IPO. We made headlines in most of the newspapers, TV channels, which went over 300 times. Followed by a presidential award. You see me here at the age of 38. I had that presidential award and IPO. That was the golden year in 1995 of my life. Mr. Chidambaram, that time Commerce Minister and President of India at Vigyan Bhavan. I've done 2 TED Talks and I'm a president of a trust in Rajouri Garden. This is the hospital by a trust, and here you see me. I'm addressing the trustees meeting. And I wear awesomeness glasses. So what is awesomeness glasses? It's what the word we look through our glasses. So metaphor is if you have wearing blue color glasses, the world is going to look to you blue from your glasses. So what meaning we give to the situation in our life, that's the glasses we are wearing. Through those glasses we see the world, and there are 7.5 billion realities. Everybody's got own reality. Right now the world is suffering with same problem, that is COVID. First time in our generation that everyone is suffering with the same problem, and that is COVID-19. Earlier used to be your problem is your problem, my problem is my problem, and then there was no problem. But today the problem is the big problem for everyone. But everyone is giving different meaning to the situation. Some are, businesses are destroyed or slowed down and they are depressed. They're indulging in getting drinks and food, putting on weight and fighting with the family. There's too much of closeness. They can't even bear the closeness with the family or the spouses. On the other hand, some people are learning new skills. They pivot their businesses and doing something new, learning new skills, worked on their health like me. As you see in this picture, I was at that time when this picture was taken at the Christmas time, 2019. I was 105 kilo. In March, I started my diet program, and today I am 82 kilo. So lost 23 kilo, reversed my diabetes completely, and more energetic, more productive. So this is my meaning to the situation. So this is the mission, create community of 1 crore SME startups in the Tajurba, largest ecosystem for entrepreneurs. Learning, funding, incubating, mentoring, and community commerce, 100x growth for every member, wealth creation for every member. That's the mission we carry for 2023. So what is business networking for you? I want now everyone to participate, including members and visitors. If there's no noise in the background, you can unmute and speak.
So business networking is meeting new people.
Meeting new people, very good. And any other one? Pooja?
Telling about our business, sharing our thoughts, and knowing new people.
Very nice.
यार वो नट क्रैकर दो बोले
Sir, meeting with new people to create more business.
Okay. So, Ankur, keep
This is only Henny.
those who have
क्या
background
5 रुपए की है
please mute
this is
that
key
thing.
हाँ ठीक है this is key
Rightly I go.
Sanjeev
Very much.
Jethli ji.
Sir,
What is
Everyone.
what is business networking is all about? You don't build business, you build people, and then people build the business. This is what, as a business owner, your job
हमारे
is.
मतलब का भी है ये समझो.
What is
Can you please mute?
practical word is
He has got a lot of background noises. Ankur, please be a little more fast with the muting people.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. So, like you all know me, that I have no other work to do except building people. I build networks day and night, and I'm creating communities all over the India now. So you build business and people build your business. I'll explain you how during this process. This is a wonderful slot, the presentation I created. So why entrepreneurs networking is important for entrepreneurs? Because it's a very, very lonely journey. There is no self-made person. This is a not a right statement when people make I'm a self-made person. There's no self-made person in the world. If you look back, any success you have achieved, there must be some support, some hand of other people. That can be your father, can be your brother, can be your friend, can be the new people or the client or the mentor you met. But these are all the people you have invested your time in that relationship. I have seen sometimes the relationship between father and sons are not great. So there's no relationship. When I traveled first time to New York, I had no money. So somebody gave me a ticket on credit. That was my network. My friend. Then another friend gave me $300. That return, then you pay. Another friend from school, he was in New York, he came to pick me up and allowed me to stay at his place for 15-20 days a month. Couple of trips. Up to 3 years, till I could afford hotels, I was staying at his home. That's all networking, and we say, "Oh, those tha." We don't realize that you spend time with those people, you create your bonding, you build bonding with them, and they come forward and help you in your time of need. When do you network? When you don't need it. Because कुआं तभी खोदते हैं जब पानी की जरूरत नहीं हो. अब जब प्यास लगेगी कुआं खोदने जाएंगे तो it will be too late. You keep on building your network all your life. Some people make this huge mistake. They think 1 साल करके देखेंगे networking, चलेगा तो चलेगा, नहीं तो फिर जाएंगे दूसरा network ज्वाइन करेंगे, तीसरा network या networking बेकार है, छोड़ो, टाइम करो, धंधा करो अपना. Networking waste of time. My question to those kind of people is that आप क्या शादी ये सोच के करते हो 1 साल करेंगे चलेगी तो चलेगी, नहीं डाइवोर्स कर लेंगे तो डाइवोर्स तो पहले ही लिख लिया आपने पहले दिन ही. बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं 1 साल चलेगा तो चलेगा, नहीं तो छोड़ देंगे. इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी लेते हैं 1 साल देखेंगे, मरे तो मरे, नहीं तो छोड़ देंगे इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. क्यों जी भाई साहब, हमारे इंश्योरेंस वाले भाई साहब, ऐसा होता है कभी? इंश्योरेंस वाले पैसे भी नहीं देते वापस 3 साल तक अगर छोड़ दो बीच में तो. पटेला साहब,
सर वो भी 1/3 मिलती है जितना पे किया हुआ है 3 साल के बाद.
तो टाइम लगता है.
टाइम.
सेविंग आप म्यूचुअल फंड में करेंगे, कम से कम 20-30 साल सेविंग करेंगे तो आपको पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग का एडवांटेज मिलेगा. करोड़ों इकट्ठा होएगा आपका. इंश्योरेंस में आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, करोड़ों इकट्ठा होएगा. बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए प्लान करेंगे, रिटायरमेंट प्लान करेंगे. All these things take time. Networking is no different. Relationships are not built overnight. बहुत समय लगता है उसमें एक दूसरे से बॉन्डिंग करने में, और जब एक टाइम आता है आपका नेटवर्क आपके लिए बेचना शुरू करता है दोस्तों, तब एक बड़ा जादू होता है कि आपके पीछे से आपका नेटवर्क 1000, 2000, 5000 लोगों का बोले कि ये तो बहुत बढ़िया चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया इंटीरियर वाला, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर है. तब समझिए कि आप नेटवर्किंग में एक सुपरस्टार बन गए, मास्टर नेटवर्क. तब तक आपको अपना वो बिल्ड करते रहना है नेटवर्क. इट टेक्स दैट मच टाइम. चाइनीज बैम्बू ट्री आप आज बीज बोइए, 5 साल आप थक जाएंगे पानी डालते डालते, खाद डालते डालते, कुछ नहीं होगा. लेकिन जब वो निकलेगा 5 साल बाद तो 5 हफ्ते में 50 मीटर पहुंच जाएगा ऊपर. तो यही नेटवर्क जब देना शुरू करता है, नेटवर्क तो थप्पड़ फाड़ के देता है. So are you part of any network? मैं गेस्ट से ये पूछना चाहूंगा. And what are your challenges in networking? This is a अगर larger setting होती, अगर कोई visitor शेयर करना चाहे कि अगर वो किसी नेटवर्क का पार्ट है या नेटवर्किंग का एक आधा चैलेंज है, तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एनी विजिटर टू अनम्यूट एंड शेयर प्लीज. Any visitor? Let me share with you what are the benefits of networking. Number one, opportunities. It leads to new and future business. You never know what happens. कई बार हमारा एक बिजनेस है ई-कॉमर्स, फिर बच्चों को शुरू करना था. नीचे से एब्सोल्यूट्स के नाम से ब्रांड है. So they wanted to start. पूरा काम A to Z नेटवर्क की वजह से शुरू हुआ within 1 month. सप्लायर चाहिए थे, मिल गए. प्रिंटर चाहिए थे, मिल गए. डिजाइनर चाहिए थे, मिल गए. वेबसाइट वाले चाहिए थे, मिल गए. ई-कॉमर्स किसी को एडवांस नहीं देना पड़ा था. वर्क स्टार्टेड इमीडिएटली. So it doesn't matter you are starting a new business or you have 10 businesses, but once your network is behind you, supporting you, whatever you do, it supports you. It works very well for you. And gives forum to promote and draw attention to your business. You will see there's a business presentation today. So enhances your brand. You can present your business to your team. Your entire team works as a salesperson for you. And help form and maintain a strong contact base. Like-minded people can come together to discuss. It's kind of a mastermind group here. That once the bonding happens, you can discuss all your trouble, all your problems, all your small things. Like Kapil sitting here, he needed some help with the MKW hospital. I called the admin head of MKW hospital. Small discount though, 10% he got. Whatever they could give. But at least something worked. And must have been told to the staff that take special care.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the bill was, I think 1,50,000 or something. But that 10% just came from, he gave me a call, I made a phone call sitting here and it happened. So it's about networking, is not about hunting, it's about farming, it's about cultivating relationships. And relationship, as I told you, takes little time. And it's a very lonely journey. You can't talk to your staff, people who are not working with their spouses, they can't talk to their spouses. The moment you talk to the spouse, they don't understand what troubles you are going through. And most of the time the answer comes, मैंने पहले ही कहा था ये business मत शुरू करो. मैंने पहले ही कहा था ये partnership मत करो. मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि ये होएगा. So you can only discuss this with your people sitting here, with like-minded people. And business networking is much more than showing at a networking function, shaking lots of hands, collecting a bunch of cards. You got to listen, you got to engage, talk to people, and arrange later on coffee meetings with other people. And it's a patience game. I told you, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes years. If somebody is thinking that 1 year they'll come and do things here and there in networking, they are wasting their time. If your network is mile wide and inch deep, it will never be successful. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And it's how well you know the person. That's what counts. A lot of people say, I want quality, or some people say quantity. My question to them is whether the right hand important or left hand. You need both hands. So you need quality and quantity both. You keep on growing. It's a lifelong activity. It doesn't stop ever. If you have 1,000 people, in 5 years, you'll have 5,000 people. Next 5 years, another 5,000 people in your network keeps on growing. And accordingly, your business and the size of business and you as a person grow, your personal brand grows. One new connection can change your life. Keep that in mind. If you know about VFS agency, visa agency, which outsource, a lot of 55 embassies outsource their visa and admin work with them. This company was started on a golf course. Owner was playing golf with US ambassador. And he said, we are not able to handle the crowd and the paperwork. We want to outsource it, but there's no business as such exists. From the golf course, that business started and company got sold for 10,000 crores. One meeting can change your life. This gentleman is one of Indian counterparts. This is Australian. His name is Martin Barnes. He's a founder of a PE Capital in Melbourne, Australia. One of his Indian counterpart came to visit Tajurba. And then when Martin came, we met, we had a dinner, and then, we took him to Dubai. We did a road show for his property. He's building this Hyatt Hotel in, he's a property developer there, also very big property developer. So we went to Dubai, we did a road show, made a lot of money. And even in last 2 months, I have, introduced him, couple of friends from Melbourne, they have invested with him. And I end up getting commissions here. One meeting resulted in a very good friend. He's a billionaire there, and an extra income for me, a lot of income for me. So people who, members who miss the meetings, कि आज नहीं जाते हैं, छोड़ देंगे. You don't know उस meeting में आपका कोई ऐसा dream connect आया. The formula for networking is VCP, visibility plus credibility is equal to profitability. If you are visible and you are credible, that results in profit. This gentleman, PSP Legal, having 28,000 cases, 32-year-old, met me at a networking. Then he became a South Delhi chapter member. And he took position in home buyers where Delhi NCR, a lot of home buyers didn't get the position. So using his network and timing, right time in the business, 28,000 cases. Go to his office and look like an IT office. 40 lawyers working there. This is the benefit. He leveraged his network to the hill. I gave him at least 3,000 cases out of that initially. And initial is very important. And when you go to networking event, don't be a business card vending machine, just card le lo, card le lo. No, pay attention to the people. Give your card to the people who are asking for your card and engage with them, understand their business, see how you can help those people. That's the beginning of building your relationship. This is the golden magic words nowadays no one uses. Bhai bhai ko nahi puchta, how can I help you? These are the golden words to be used in networking. And make a good first impression, because you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. Smiling. How's your business card? How you are dressed up? What is your body language? Winner's body language. All those things matter a lot to create your first impression. It takes less than 7 seconds to make that impression, that people decide on their subconscious mind whether they want to do business with you, they want to meet with you or not, or take the relationship forward. And business card is your branding tool. If you don't get compliments on your business card, change your graphic designer. If you don't have one, hire a graphic designer. It should be very professionally designed. Readability or creativity. Choose the layout wisely. Avoid grayish color, very small font. And if possible, have QR code so that people can scan. And double proofread, no spelling errors there. 7 tips to stand out at the event. Smile, body language, dress to stand out, first impression. Positivity, enthusiasm. Do your homework and arrive 30 minutes early. People buy your energy first. After that, what the product or services you are selling. And always arrive first and leave at the last. Whenever me and my wife go for any wedding, we are the first one to arrive, even before the host arrives. And sometimes we end up paying tips to the waiters. They think मैं लड़की का बाप हूँ. कि सबसे जल्दी यही आया था, इसी को पकड़ो. So tips for successful networking mixer. Ask for an introduction. As you meet new people, collect business card, write a note or two about the person. कई बार कार्ड पे लिखा नहीं होता है क्या बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, आप भूल जाएंगे दिन में 2 इवेंट अटेंड किए, कौन से इवेंट पे मिले, क्योंकि आपको बाद में एक मैसेज भेजना उनको किस इवेंट पे मिले थे. I liked about what you are doing. Ask the right question. It's always about the other person, not about you. And join the group discussion. अगर already group बने हुए, it's okay to go in. Can I participate? Can I join your group? No one has ever said no to me. And then ask them, what are you discussing? I want to be participating. And follow 24/7/30 rule. In 24 hours, वो card आपके phone में feed हो जाना चाहिए. 7 days में message जाना चाहिए. Was very nice meeting you. I found this and this very interesting about you. And to take the relationship forward for mutual benefit, let's meet over coffee within 30 days. Fix it up. That relationship comes into your context sphere for the life. Keep building your social capital. Like you save money in the bank, your network is also your social capital. Keep building it. And you will get what you want in life if you help enough other people to it. The currency of networking is generosity. You can't keep score. कि मैंने कपिल को दिया, मैंने पूजा को दिया, मैंने अंकुर को दिया, इन्होंने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं किया. They will do eventually whenever they are able to do. No question about it. There's a law of reciprocation in the world in play. Universal law हमारा आपका नहीं है. But they send you their good wishes, they send you their blessings, they send you good vibes around you. And it comes back multifold. You give more than you get. That's the formula, generosity formula. You give more than you get more than you give. So here is that this person I have never met. He contacted me from Dubai, he needed some help. Wonderful testimonial. Till today I haven't met. But I connected with him, some influencer in Dubai, his life changed. Suresh sir is a wonderful human being who is always ready to help and mentor startup and want to see them successful. He sees his success in other success. He has excellent network all over the world, especially in the UAE, and connected me to the right people when I requested him after understanding my line of business. I recommend anyone who is looking for a guru or a mentor to approach him. So this is what Jagdish Kushalappa from Kurg, south of India. Never met this guy till today. And my network helps my network. A time comes in your life when you become a connector. This guy here is a director of AIMS. Padma Bhushan is receiving from President of India, friend of mine. So anyone needs help in my network at AIMS, I call him and he's able to help them whenever he can. I just have to connect. I don't have to do anything. So my network helps my network. A time comes. And how you do anything, that's how you do everything. That's my biggest learning in life, ladies and gentlemen. That small things, if you arrive late, people perceive you as you are a lazy person, you are a careless person. So come first and leave the last. And face-to-face meetings are on pause, but relationship building has even gone further. So it's become boundaryless. In last 3 months, I have trained 700 people across the world. Earlier, I was limited to only Delhi and Gurgaon. We have pre-launched Bombay chapter day before yesterday actually. 45 people to start with. So this is what pandemic is creating, huge opportunity for networking. You can meet people. I'm having tonight a Zoom meeting with an old friend from US. That person who allowed me to stay at his home was not possible earlier. I've done couple of meeting Mumbai, Bangalore, 1 hour meeting. I had to travel morning flight, come back in the evening. Now it doesn't happen anymore. So how to network during pandemic? Networking has become gentler and more supportive. That's because everyone is affected one way or another by the pandemic. We all are suffering with the same problem. So don't look on it as a what is in it for me. Consider how you can help, not just in a professional. Show that what you care. A simple, nice, personalized message. People are broadcasting message, hope your family is out. Everything okay. Don't do that. Write name, dear Sureshji. You'll definitely get reply. Otherwise, the person knows it's a broadcasted message. You can copy paste the message, is okay. But at least ऊपर नाम तो यार type कर लो अपने आप. So whether you are looking for new opportunities, hoping to boost your business or career, this might be just the ticket. Networking is more important than ever. A lot of people will be looking for business and this can give you a competitive advantage. The key to do it sensitively because lot of people, I was interviewing one of my students, his name is Sanjeev Singh, 9.5 crore business done during pandemic. His competition is selling sanitizers. People have left real estate business slow and he got this opportunity and sold last July only 9.5 crore worth of property in Gurgaon. Builder came out with wonderful builders are also coming out with wonderful opportunities and schemes. So a lot of people are sitting at home, not working on their skills, not working on their businesses. So you have opportunity there. Find out that opportunity and grab it. So it has moved online. This is how the networking changed. It's all about helping each other out. People tend to get business through their connection rather than their direct friends or colleagues. आपको बता दो जो लोग यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे जो नेटवर्किंग में गेस्ट मिलेंगे जो आपको मेंबर्स मिलेंगे they will help you more in your business than your friends and relatives going forward. And virtual gatherings have made it a lot more pleasant too because now I'm sitting at my home, just got up, had my tea and came here. Time nahi laga. Otherwise, we used to travel early morning, Paschim Vihar, meet at Ankur's office. So I love networking. It has helped me to get business for myself and others also. So those meetings were often held in the early morning, hotel cost 1,000 rupees plus. The time saved not having to travel also mean you can do more with your time. You don't have to waste half a day traveling to meet people and to find you don't click. So what took 3 hours before can be done in 10 minutes over Zoom. So that's how long it takes to get to know someone better. So this is a wonderful opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Take use of this opportunity. Check your online identity, because now everything is online. Do your great online presence, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, all your profile. Audit your network. This is an opportunity to grow your network and let go some of them. If some of them need to go, let it go. Make it personal. A little bit of empathy goes a long way. These are very, very, for people are having a lot of anxiety. So be empathetic. Get comfortable with the technology. Looking into the camera when you are speaking online is a good practice. You need to do this, and I'm doing this all this time with thousands of people. Tonight is my webinar. There'll be 500 people from across India. Realize that you have something to offer. Talk to strangers. Your network should reflect the diversity of the economy you work in or want to work in. Connect with unlike-minded also. You don't have to be like-minded. You don't have to judge people. Everyone is interesting. Just make them feel important and learn from them, and you never know, one meeting can change your life. So those who are different are not from your field or your special circle. Be generous. That's the currency. Always give something away without looking for something in return. When things come back, you will be remembered. Set up a virtual coffee if you meet someone interesting at a webinar or a social media. This might sound odd, but people are doing everything from virtual bingo to wine tasting, so they are more open and over to virtual contact. We are nowadays doing family social also online. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions? And it's been a great honor to speak to all of you. This session was a little more longer, but keeping in the interest of time, and President साहब को मैं देख रहा हूँ वहाँ से घूर रहे मुझे. So I'm ending this little bit early, but I've covered almost 75% of it, which was very, very useful. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, Kapil, go ahead.
Normally networking में the problem which I face, पुराने लोग छूटते जाते हैं, नए लोग जुड़ते जाते हैं.
जी.
तो उसको कैसे कोप अप करेंगे सर?
पुराने लोगों से टच में रहो. अब तो और आसान हो गया है. मेक ए फोन कॉल, मेक ए लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल. क्या होता है मैं आपको बताऊं हाउ आई डू इट. मेरे 3 सर्किल है. इनर सर्किल इज माय हाई वैल्यू नेटवर्क. उसमें वो नाम लिखे हुए हैं जो आर द सुपर सक्सेसफुल बिलियनर्स हु आर इन रेगुलर टच, जिनको मुझे संडे को लिस्ट बना के फोन करना ही करना है, मैसेजेस भेजने हैं, होली दिवाली पे पर्सनली फोन करना है, बर्थडे विश करने हैं. देन देयर इज ए मिडिल सर्कल. वो लोग हैं जो साल में 2-3 बार मिलते हैं कहीं ना कहीं इवेंट पे. जैसे अभी गुरप्रीत सिंह टिक्कू आपने देखा, मेरे ब्लॉगर हैं बहुत अच्छे दोस्त. अब वो सुषमा का चिवड़ा के ऊपर ब्लॉग लिखेंगे, उसकी मदद करेंगे. उनका इंटरव्यू मैंने लिया था. वो ऐसे है, मुझे साल में 2-3 बार मिलते हैं कहीं ना कहीं. किसी भी इवेंट पे मिल गए, कहीं मिल गए, उनके घर में कोई पार्टी बुला लिया, मेरे घर पार्टी. वो लोग हैं मिडिल सर्कल में. आउटर सर्कल इज माय कंप्लीट लिंक्डइन, फेसबुक, जो 40-50 हजार लाख लोग, 2 लाख लोग हैं. तो वो आउटर सर्कल में है. अब आउटर सर्कल से इनवर्ट आता है, आदमी मिडिल में आता है. कभी कभी फिजिकली मिल लेता है, एक बार चाय पी लेता है, साल में 2-3 बार मिलता है. मिडिल से अंदर बन जाता है वो जब मैं देखता हूँ ये मेरा हाई वैल्यू नेटवर्क का बंदा है, इसके साथ दिल विचार मिल रहे हैं और आगे बहुत कुछ हम लोग म्यूचुअली कर सकते हैं. वो कम इनटू द इनर सर्कल. इधर से बाहर नहीं जाता है कोई भी. आप कह रहे हो इधर से बाहर जाने की, वो मैं कभी नहीं होने देता. बाहर से अंदर आते हैं लोग. आउटर से जो वर्चुअल मिला है वो बीच में आ जाता है, बीच से क्लोज फ्रेंड बन जाता है, हाई वैल्यू बन जाता है. इट डजंट गो अदर वे अराउंड. फिर कहीं नेटवर्किंग में कमी है, थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
ठीक है सर जी. I got it sir. Thanks a lot sir. Thank you.
Anyone else?
I think it's the learning is it is more about giving attitude.
Absolutely. Giving, helping, investing in relationship, creating your social capital, and start coming back to you many fold, multifold. All right. So thank you very much, President Saab. Over to you.